This short video will show you how to create little images that you can then upload as answers for programming tasks using Microsoft Teams. So imagine you've just completed your Scratch program and we've got our code sitting here. So we can see the lion sprite has some code in it here and the fox sprite has some code here. Now, the temptation would be just to save this file and upload this file to Teams. Unfortunately, it doesn't work. So what we need to do is we need to take some screen grabs so we can actually take little photographs of this image and save it to our computer for us to use and upload into the team. So to do this is really simple. What I do, I go to the Start menu and then I can just type in snip and the snipping tool will become visible here. There's another tool called Snip and Sketch, which is a slightly different version, and that will work in a very similar way. On Apple Macs, you'll be able to find something similar to do this as well. So I'll just click on the snipping tool, and this little box opens up on your screen. And it has a number of different options for us. Now, what we need to do is we need to go to the Mode button and make sure it's on rectangle, because we want to make a little rectangular snip. And then to actually take our picture, all we need to do is make sure the image on our screen is what we want to take a picture of. So at the moment I've got the code, I've got the lion, that's exactly what I want to take a snip of. So if I press the new button, the screen goes all grey and sort of cloudy. That basically has frozen the screen and will now allow me to take a little screenshot. So I now just move onto the screen, click and drag, and it highlights the area of the screen that it's going to take a picture of. And as soon as I let go of the mouse button, it takes that picture. I can then go ahead and do File, Save As. I can call it whatever I want, so lion code, and save. And that's now saved into the computer. Now, if I want to take some code of the fox, I need to make sure the screen is displaying the fox information. So I can click on there, make sure it's clicking on there. On the snipping tool, I just need to press the new button again. I can then just do the same thing, snip the piece of code I want. So the piece of code in fox, perfect. And then I can do File, Save As, and change this to fox code. And there is my second example that I need to submit. So what I can now do is I can now go back to the Microsoft team. I've got my 2 bits of code, I've got my line code, I've got my fox code, and I can upload both of them into the task, and that will let my teacher see those and mark those.